Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I had no idea I was going to make a part 3, but if you remember in part 2, I had these lines between the items. And if you were going to ever print this out, that wouldn't look very good. And I just kind of thought, thinking about it, what I did, because I just did this video yesterday. When I used the twirl tool, it actually took this line and kind of caved it in. So one way to do it is to select your item, hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. That gives you a perfect box and you can see the separation right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that line and we're going to nudge it over and we're going to make it 4.95 big. Then we're going to nudge it back and we're going to take everything, select both items, and we're going to go to the intersect tool and now it's going to work. But let's go ahead and change it back to 5 because it doesn't really matter. And now when we take this box, our nudge factor is still set on 5. Control D and move it over. And don't forget to, if you want to, rotate it to make it look like that. Control D to, and then double move it with your nudge key. Control D, and then, if you want to flip that, get a different pattern, and then you Control D and move that down twice. Now we have no line between the separations and it would print a lot better. If you were ever going to do something like this, it would make it 100% better. Anyway, just an idea, and thank you for watching.